This is SCADA Dude. Welcome back to another Geo SCADA how-to series. In this video, we're going to talk about what to do if you cannot see any of the properties for the graphical objects that you add in Geo SCADA. One of the things that will happen sometimes if the install doesn't go well is when you go into Vuex and you try to add any of the graphical objects in, you will notice it is not showing up on the screen. So if you look at the pen properties, you'll notice it says type none. If I put it to solid, nothing shows up. If I go to fill, solid, nothing shows up. Typically, you will see additional attributes about the fill property or the pen property show up in here. So it seems like there's something wrong with Geo SCADA. So what we're going to do is go ahead and close out of everything and not save our work. And we're going to go install a repair for the Geo SCADA. Typically, you will find this out early on when you start using the product, so it should be obvious right away, and this should not happen once everything is running. Looks like it's complete. And we'll have to go ahead and reboot. We'll be right back. Alright, we're back. So let's try this now again. Launch Vuex. Go ahead and log in. Let's open up the path, open up the mimic or the graphics screen, add a text, move that to the side. If you did not know, you can move this to the side and work with it. And there it is. It seems to be working. Now click on pen, and there's the rest of the properties that we're missing. As you can see, this would have been obvious after the first time you installed Geo SCADA that something had gone wrong in the install. All you have to do is repair it and you should be good to go after that. Go ahead and close this out. Thank you for watching. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to my channel. That way, as I add more videos, you will get notified.